Thank you for choosing Arcos Self Storage. We are located at 1120 East March Lane on the corner of West and March. We are behind Pep Boys and the new Dutch Brothers. We offer climate control units for valuable and environmentally sensitive items. We maintain a 65-degree temperature for your added protection. Looking for RV or boat parking? Look no further. We offer a variety of covered and uncovered parking with wide aisles, ample lighting, and digital keypads for your added protection. What sets us apart at Arcos Storage is our security and cleanliness, with over 100 cameras located all over our facility for your added security. We sell a wide variety of boxes and moving supplies, including some of the hard-to-find items like dish packs, wardrobe boxes, and mattress covers of all sizes. We offer a variety of drive-up units from a 5x8 to a 10x20.
My experience at Arcos Storage here in Stockton, I think, has been great. The customer service with the girls when you first walk in, they greet you. They always say hi to you, ask you if you need help, especially me being handicapped. They're always offering to go and help lift the door up and down for me or help me put something in or out. I like the fact that it's indoors, it's protected. Safety-wise, never had a problem. I have some nice pieces that we store here, and I've recommended and had friends come in and do the same.
We all like to budget and save money, am I right? So let's not forget about our manager specials and special tenant referral programs that we have currently going on for this month. Please call us or visit us online at arcosstorage.com.